farmer unions and government meeting over the stalemate over the controversial farm laws continues. What NDTV is learning from its sources at the moment is that there's been no breakthrough that has been achieved in the 9th round of talks that are still underway. Let's go right across to Sunil Prabhu. We're going to try and get Sunil in just a bit, but he's tracking the details of this big story. Remember, it is the 9th round of talks between the government and the protesting farmer unions. All that we know at the moment is that no breakthrough has been achieved in these 9th round of talks, despite the fact that the Union Agriculture Minister said he was optimistic of the fact that there would be some kind of an outcome. Remember, whether these 9th round of talks would take place or not was a question in itself. This after, of course, the fact that the last 8 rounds of talks didn't yield in anything. And of course, the Supreme Court, remember, on January the 11th appointed a 4-member panel to resolve the impasse as currently stayed the implementation of the farm laws. A key member of this proposed committee subsequently recused himself. High drama has taken place as far as the farm laws are concerned. All we know at the moment is that these laws have been kept in abeyance by the Supreme Court. The implementation of the laws has temporarily been stayed. Now, farmers and government are meeting again today to thrash out a possible solution. The Agriculture Minister, Narendra Singh Tomar, sounded optimistic that the talks will yield in something. Farmers, remember, continue to remain adamant that the farm laws should be scrapped. They won't settle for anything other than that. And the big breaking story that we're getting at this hour is that no breakthrough has been achieved in these 9th round of talks. Sunil Prabhu joins us with the very latest. Sunil, what more can you tell us? All right, we'll try and connect with Sunil in just a bit. But this, of course, is the big story that we're tracking for you. No breakthrough has been achieved in the government-farmer talks. This, remember, was the 9th round of negotiations between the farmer unions as well as the union government. And what we know is that no breakthrough has been achieved in these talks. 8 rounds of talks have so far taken place, after which, remember, the Supreme Court has put a stay on the implementation of the 3 controversial farm laws and constituted a committee to deliberate and carry out negotiations between both sides. Meanwhile, the farmer unions have only threatened to further intensify their protests with that massive tractor rally that's been planned on the 26th of January. I believe we finally have connected with Sunil. Sunil, what more can you tell us? Sunil, can you hear me? All right, I do believe we've finally been able to establish that line with Sunil Prabhu. Sunil, can you hear me?
Yes, Rishika, and I have with me somebody who has been representing and been discussing with the government for the last 9 rounds now. What exactly happened, Mr. Honamala, in this discussion?
This discussion was there. This is almost wastage of time. Even it is not past time. Past time you can get some leisure. It is wasting of time without any result. Repeating the same things, nauseatic repetition of the old things. Government said that we want you accept the amendment, and we said we will not do it. 7 months we are saying we will not do it. Why we are repeating this nauseatic repetition? Government said no, we cannot change it, but make a small committee. What will do a small committee? If entire leadership cannot decide, what a small committee will do? There is no point of a small committee. So then we said that there is no result. So okay, first 3 agenda is not finalized. So next agenda le lo, that is MSP. The government said no, first agenda complete hoga तभी हम next agenda लेंगे. तो आप तो अड़े रहे हैं, आप ही अड़े रहे हैं. आप बोला थे MSP चर्चा करेंगे. Now you are not going back. So there is no unanimity on this. Then we will discuss it again on 19th January at 12. Again this meeting will be.
You also raised the issue about NIA rates.
Yes. First we have a long quarrel with them. The government is behaving with those who are engaged in the movement, those who are supporting the movement. Government is taking revenge with them. Who are giving some buses or some money to the martyrs' family. NIA has gone to them and implicated them. UAPA is being used. This is revenge. Government is behaving with a revengeful attitude, and those who are helping the movement, they are being implicated and they are being booked in. That is some different type of cases. We oppose it.
The Supreme Court has asked for a committee. You have rejected that committee. One of the members has also recused themselves. How are you going to go forward? Because Supreme Court might come down very strongly on you all on Monday.
Then we'll see. Because we didn't get justice in the Supreme Court. We expected that only human behavior we will expect. Suffering, human suffering. People are sitting there in the cold. All these people are dying. We expected Supreme Court will take some human attitude towards the suffering people.
But you're not participating in the...
We are not participating. We told that. It is between government and us. Kisan. There is no role of committee, no role of court, no role of everybody. We do not want any middleman. Either Dalal or court, any middleman we do not want. That is our 7 months we are saying this. Why they are repeating it again and again?
So then how do you take it forward? Because this is now becoming a...
We have no other way. We have continuous struggle. Because government has everything. They have money, they have criminal, they have gunda, they have radio, television, they have court, army, they have everything. We have only constitutional right. Constitution gave us right to fight for right to life, express our demand before the government and ask for the demand peacefully. That only we have. We have nothing more. So on the basis of that, we will continue our struggle.
So here you have it, very, very categorical statement there from Comrade Honamullah, who's been part of this entire farmer unions. And as you can see, as he says, this is a wastage of time, not even past time. And clearly there is no way forward as of now, but making a big point about the government using its agencies, the NIA, to go against those who are supporting the movement, those who are giving money to the martyrs. Clearly, they are very upset with the government for the manner in which it is using central agencies like the NIA as well as the CBI on these people.